Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. It's actually 1 in the morning on Tuesday, I guess now. I'm starting the vlog very late. I was planning on starting it earlier in the day on Monday, which is just kind of like today. But we basically just went and saw 1917, which was so good. So if you have not seen it yet, please go check it out in the theaters. It was so good. The first like 5 to 10 minutes, I was kind of like, I'm not feeling this, because it was like, it just starts so rushed, but then like it gets so intense, and it's just, it was so good. And it all, like, they make it seem like it's one continuous take, which is super cool. It's currently raining, and we just watched the national championship for college football. And that was a really good game, so we really enjoyed that. And we've been playing some Fortnite, and we've been cleaning the house. So I'll show you some of the new additions that we added tomorrow. I'm just about to start editing my video for tomorrow, the best thrifting finds of 2019. So go check it out if you haven't already. And then tomorrow, Conference of the Birds by Ransom Riggs comes out. So I work in the morning, and my plan is just to read all night, and I'm so excited. So I cannot wait to get my hands on that book, and that is the plan. So I figured I'd just take you guys along the next couple of days. We were going to do something fun today, but we are still very tired and recovering from our sickness. But we think there's something like in the air, because we've been having, this is really TMI, but we've been having like black snot and black mucus. And I think it's because of like the air pollution in Atlanta, and my skin has been so dry, like so dry. Like I'm drinking a ton of water. I'm constantly putting like moisturizer and face oil and stuff on it, and it's been feeling so dry. I ran out of rose water and glycerin, so I just got a new bottle. So it's starting to feel a little bit better with the rose water on it, but yeah, we have just not been feeling good on and off the past couple of weeks. I've talked about it in my last vlog as well, but I actually had to give up one of my shifts last week. It was so bad. So we're still on the mend. We still have a ton of Groupons from Christmas, so we are planning to use those in the next couple of weeks, and of course do a lot of other things in Atlanta. We've actually been talking about if we're going to stay in Atlanta in the coming years, and we really don't know right now. So we're trying to make the most of the time that we have here and hit as many cities around here as we can, because if we do end up moving back to Florida or somewhere more on the East Coast, we're not going to be as close to certain things like Tennessee, Louisiana, things like that. So we want to make as many trips as possible. Anyway, guys, I'm just kind of rambling now, but that's all I wanted to talk about, and I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. Also, I don't know if you can see her, but Nala's sitting on the porch right there. There's her little foot, and she's just enjoying the rain. It is supposed to rain all day tomorrow and Wednesday. What's up, guys? It is now Tuesday, and I finally got my book, Conference of the Birds by Ransom Riggs. I'm only on page 4, but it's so good so far. And I'm currently eating some avocado toast. I'll show you that in a second. And I had planned today to spend the day in bed reading my book. And for some reason, I decided to pick up a shift tonight. So I'm going back to work in like an hour. So I'm reading as much as I can before I go. I just felt bad because last week I couldn't work a shift because I was sick. So I'm trying to make up for the time that I lost. So going in today. And it's okay because I have Thursday night off, so I'll just read all day Thursday, and I'll read as much as I can today and tomorrow before Thursday, and hopefully finish on Thursday. So that's my plan, and yeah, that's what I'm up to right now. So I will share with you guys how I'm enjoying the book more later on. Oh, I also got a blondie. I'll show you that. So I got my avocado toast here with Parmesan cheese and paprika. It's so yummy. And then I have my Blondie Blast from Starbucks over here, just reading. And then I've got a hungry Nala over here wanting my food. So yeah, just having a relaxing afternoon. I need to upload my video for today. It's exported on my phone. I just need to upload it, but I don't think it's going to upload in time. So I'm just going to upload it when I come back tonight. And it should be a good night at work, hopefully quick and easy, so I can come back and read soon. And yeah, that's the plan. What's up, guys? It is now Thursday. I have some stuff to do. I am about to start doing some laundry for work tomorrow. Woo! I'm getting a little woozy. So I'm about to start doing some laundry. I'm basically just gonna finish up the vlog here though, because I basically for the rest of the night I'm just gonna be doing laundry, reading my book, which is so good. Oh, did I show you? Yeah, I showed you back when I got it on Tuesday. I'm already like to page 100, I think. I'm hoping to finish by Monday, but honestly tonight, if all I'm doing is reading, I might finish it tonight because I'm just gonna be really addicted. Like, I'm just being honest. So that is my plan. I'm gonna make a sandwich, take a shower, read my book, do some laundry. But that's really it for this week's vlog. I did want to tell you guys, I paid off my credit card debt and I'm so happy. That was like $3,000 that was looming over me, and it was quite a process. Back in like August, I started paying off like $100 a month, and I was like, okay, if I pay off $100 a month, I'm gonna pay it off in about 2.5 years. And then I realized that I didn't know how credit cards worked. I thought that there was no interest on your account as long as you're making the minimum payment. I didn't realize that there is interest based on the total amount of the balance in your account. So I started getting charged quite a bit of interest, and I was like, okay, I just want to pay this thing off. So I paid off like $700, I paid off $1,000, I paid off another $1,000, and I just paid off the last bit this past couple days. So I just wanted to say that I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really proud of Blake for being really strategic about how we spent our money. And if you are struggling with debt, I know you can do it just like us. Debt is like something not good to get yourself into, but once you're out, it feels so good and it feels so freeing. So I'm really, really, really happy to be out of it. Nala's mad because I put her outside because I just gave her a bath. I actually just took her to the park. I'll insert a little clip right now. I took her to the park and she got super, super dirty, so I just gave her a bath. But anyway, yes, credit card debt is officially paid off, and Blake and I are starting to save some money. We don't know what we want to do with it yet. We'll be talking about it in future videos. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. Next week, since we are starting to feel better, hopefully we will get out and do something that you will be able to see in the vlog, enjoying our time in Atlanta. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful week, and I will see you on Tuesday with a new video. Bye!
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all.